Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remote start a BMW X6. Hold the key fob lock button for 2 seconds, then press, and hold the remote start button until lights flash. Make sure the vehicle is in park and hood is closed, and the alarm is armed. If your X6 has Comfort Access or BMW Connected Drive, follow the vehicle settings for remote start activation. Practice safely in an open area away from traffic. I'll explain 3 common remote start methods and when to use them for your BMW X6. First, traditional key fob remote start uses the lock, then remote start sequence. Second, factory connected drive or BMW app remote start uses your smartphone and requires subscription or vehicle activation. Third, aftermarket modules add remote start to models without it, but install must follow BMW safety interlocks and professional programming to avoid electrical issues. When remote start fails, check the basics first on your BMW X6. Verify battery health in the key fob and vehicle and replace batteries as needed. Confirm the vehicle is in park, hood closed, and doors locked. Review app permissions and BMW connected drive status if using smartphone start. For aftermarket installs, check valet mode, safety interlocks, and wiring connectors, and seek a certified technician for complex electrical diagnostics. Always prioritize safety over convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.